Hey everyone, this is Anthony Francis with Improv and we're talking about things that improvisers do that can help you in your everyday life. Improvisers, when we're on stage, we do something called object work. It's where we pantomime with nothing in our hands. We pantomime to show objects. There's nothing on stage in an improv scene other than two chairs and the improvisers. That's it. Everything else we have to pantomime. So for example, if I were going to be drinking a soda, I would hold it like this, and I would drink my soda. Just like that, right? So why is that important in your everyday life? How can that help you? Well, you might not know it, but you do a bunch of different things every day and interact with objects every day almost unconsciously. Do you know how you pull your chair out when you sit down at work? Or how you open and close your front door? Do you know how any of these things are really done? Have you taken time out to see how they're done, how you're doing them? It helps bring you into the more present moment, which is something that's really important for improvisers on stage. And it's also important for us in our everyday lives to stay present and be in this moment. Why? Because there's really nothing more out there for us than right now. We're usually thinking about things that have happened or things that might potentially happen because that's important for our survival, but it's really blissful and fun to stay right here and right now. And a great way to stay right here and right now is to practice with real objects and then put them down and try to pantomime the same action with those objects. It helps you understand how you do things. So for example, and I just recently heard from my friend Natalie down in Miami. She just told me that mimes, she and I both have a thing for mimes. Not like in that way, but just in like a fun way. And mimes do the same thing, and I didn't know this. So mimes will take a real object. So here we have a can of seltzer soda, my favorite brand actually. I'm not getting paid, so I'll just tell you, Polar is amazing. So I have it. There's a good amount in here, and you can feel the weight of it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drink some. And I'm going to notice how I hold it and what my mouth does. Notice my mouth when like I had like some mouth movement. Try that again. I had a little bit of that going on. Like that. So now that I've practiced it with a real object, I'm going to put that object down and I'm going to try it again without the object. Just like that. So that helps me stay present and lets me realize just how I do things. You know, what's my physical action when I'm doing things, right? Because that's important. It's important to know how we do things and stay present. Right? All right. Well, that's everything, and that's all I wanted to talk about for this video. I hope it helps you. I'm Anthony Francis. For more on improv, check us out at improvview.org, and I have a drink to finish. Excuse me. Oh, burn's going down.